This is Colonel Garth. I'm the head of the Forge in 84 program in CommandReady, a leadership development company. We work to help teach leadership all across America, but we do it in a different way. Think about it. Every time you've ever picked up a book, watched a video module, or sat through a training class, have you really learned everything you could be? I mean, we get sparks of inspiration, we find really neat ideas, but you're really lucky if you walk away with more than 10% knowledge from what they presented. And that's not a great run. We do things slightly differently here because we believe in application. Think about the times in your life you've really learned something. You learned because you were doing it. When you've lived an experience, it stays longer. The memory is easier to get back to, and you can repeat the actions. Well, it works like that with leadership too. It's not all just theory. Sure, you need to know the blocking and tackling. You need to understand your planning process. You need to know the theories around decision making. Those things are helpful, but it's in the doing that we really excel as leaders, where we set a good culture, where we drive an organization. So whether you're in a leadership position or you want to be, the idea is to truly try and level up your game by building good habits in your daily action, and then working with other people to develop accountability for yourself and for the team. And that's where Forged comes in. There's a lot of daily activities you have to do. There are learning modules you get to watch, but it's all mixed with the outcomes of your fire team. You can't go it alone. If you want to go alone, you have to be going for a short distance. Life, your job, your family, work, all that stuff takes a much longer span of time, and it requires teamwork to get there. If you truly want to be successful in any of those areas, you've got to find a way to shore up good accountability partners, people who can look you in the eye and tell you when you're doing well and when you need to step up your game. And that's what Forge does. The hammer and anvil is not only the information, but it's the team that you join. Now, you do have two choices. You can be a team leader and coach, mentor, teach, provide purpose and direction, and really learn by not only going through the module yourself, but by teaching the information and coaching the rest of your team into the development of good, solid habits. The other way is you join a team, and that's not an easy run. You're still a member of something. You're in an accountability group. By being in the group, you have to hold yourself responsible for doing the work, or you're going to drag everybody down around you. Your job on a Forge team is to grow. It's to participate. It's to hold yourself to a standard because other people are counting on you. Just like fire teams count on each other in combat, on patrol, or out in the real world. We do things as teams. We work together and we hold each other accountable as teams. And that's why we run the program this way. We learn by doing, and it works. So get signed up as a team leader to set up your location, and then bring in your 3 team members, or join as a team member. Either way, to get through the full 84 days, the full 12 weeks, 3 months of this program, to manage the daily routines, the main effort, and the goal development, you've got to be surrounded by other people who are looking to challenge themselves and be shaped into something new. Join us in Forged in 84. I'll see you on the inside.